how to make the thumbnails for YouTube. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make the thumbnails for YouTube videos. So to make the thumbnails you will have to follow some steps. So first of all you will have to open the YouTube app. Guys, you can use the Adobe Express, which is a free tool that can be used to create the YouTube thumbnails, and you can access it by following the link that is Adobe Express. So you can follow that link to make your thumbnail. Also guys, you can create the custom thumbnail. So when uploading a video, click on the camera icon. You will have to tap right here on upload a video, and then let me upload any of the video. And after that, guys, it's best to create the custom YouTube thumbnails to make your video stand out, and you can use still images from your video to create unique designs to catch up your attention. So you will have to tap on the next, and then after that you can see that this video is you will have to tap right here the title, and if you want to select the thumbnail, so you will have to tap right here on these pictures. So let me select any of the picture, and first of all you will have to verify your account. After verifying your account, you will be able to upload the thumbnail pictures from there. So this is how you can easily upload the thumbnail. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.